This is what made Breda what it is today. This is where they built their reputation. It's an inertia, top of the range competition gun. Now, this is nominal board, maxi 90 choke, 3-inch chamber, superior steel shot proofed. All come with grade 4 wood, adjustable stock, non-slip recoil pad, a nice blue or red anodisation on certain working parts. So it's not too garish, it's quite bright and shiny, it's just got that little bit of style that makes it stand out on a clay shooting range, because this is a dedicated competition gun with barrel weights, etc. that doesn't look like a standard semi-auto. People can see it is a competition gun.
It's like a racing car.
It's very, very sleek and very, very smart the way there's a lot of design effort gone into something like this to make sure it works. And as long as you use decent cartridges with semi-auto, which you would be in a competition, you're just going to get thousands and thousands of rounds of pure, reliable, good target shooting. And with it being inertia, they don't need any cleaning because there's no gas parts.
I love the angles on it. The angle on the trigger guard, for example. It's I don't know. There's,
everything.
The design has been. Oh, it's Italian, isn't it?
Yes, I would say this is probably one of the best competition semi-autos available to the UK shooter, if not anywhere else in Europe.
How popular are those in Europe?
In Europe, they're very, very popular. In the UK, they've never been, well, I say never, they've only just really started to be socially accepted. You know, rather like an over and under was never allowed on a game shoot. Now people are starting to see the benefits of a semi-auto because you get less recoil, one barrel to clean, and I think the stigma of semi-autos has gone, especially with something like this, which is, you know, purposely designed as a competition gun. It's not all black synthetic for use in a military situation or in you know, a pigeon hide or anything else. It can't be mistaken as anything else other than a pure competition gun.
Retail?
£1,700. I know what you're thinking, how on earth do we do it for that price? I don't know how they do it either, but they do. £1,700 for a competition gun, you know, with this pedigree. That's pretty incredible, isn't it?